For applying Slapshot Floor Finish to a freshly stripped floor, you will require a looped end rayon blend mop and a bucket and wringer with a garbage bag liner. Line a bucket with the liner and pour in the Slapshot. A liner provides a clean, uncontaminated container for your coating. They are neat, disposable, and also speed up the cleaning process. Pour only what you plan to use. Use a clean, blended rayon mop. Dip the mop into the bucket and press out the excess. Do not wring the mop out, just lightly tamp the mop. Outline the area to be sealed. Fill in the area using a figure-8 motion. Stay 6 inches away from the edges. Allow 45 minutes to dry in between coats. Do not lay down more than 3 coats per 24-hour period. The 2nd, 4th, and 6th coats should cover the edges. Traffic is lighter near the edge, therefore less finish is required.